Mga ka-good news, alam nyo ba na naimbento na ngayon ang invisibility clothing or tinatawag na invisible cloak? Kapag sinuot mo ito, ay bigla kang magiging invisible. Ginagamit ito ng China ngayon sa kanilang military uniform. Pero, ang inbensyon na ito ay talagang naimbento sa Vancouver, Canada. At patented ito. Kaya ito na naman ang China, kopya ng kopya na naman. Panoorin muna natin ang bidyong ito.
But perhaps the furthest advancement in the development of invisibility cloaks has been made by the Chinese. Reports on Chinese social media indicate the arrival is gradually becoming a reality. Vancouver-based company Hyperstealth Biotechnology has developed and patented a thin material that, according to its claims, provides quantum invisibility. But perhaps the furthest advancement in the development of invisibility cloaks has been made by the Chinese. Reports on Chinese social media indicate the arrival of the first 1,000 invisible military suits in the People's Liberation Army of China. There's no official confirmation, but it's known that Chinese scientists came close to creating this revolutionary technology 2 years ago. The concept of an invisibility cloak may seem more like magic than science.
Ito ay napanood ko ito na klaseng technology year 20,000 pa. 10 year, almost 4 years ago ay narinig ko na ito. Itong invisibility clothing na ito na technology ay hindi ito bago. Sa Amerika, narinig ko na ito year 2000 pa na nag-imbento ang Amerika nito. Pero ito'y talagang top secret sa Amerika kasi gagamitin nila sa kanilang military. Ngayon, sigurado mayroon ng uniforme ang Amerika na ganito. Pero hindi lang pinapakita. Ginagamit lang siguro sa special operation. Ngunit ngayon ay ang China ay nagpapakita na meron daw silang naimbento na ganito, pero yun pala ito pa rin ay gawa ng isang kumpanya sa Canada.
These researchers are diligently working on creating devices that can scatter and bend light, rendering the object behind them invisible. Previously, such devices attempted to be made based on metamaterials. These materials possess novel properties not found in naturally occurring substances or in the individual particles of the material. However, working with them is challenging, so the decision was made to use molybdenum trioxide. This material could serve as an excellent platform for controlling energy flows due to its unique properties.
Ayan, parang silopane lang siya, no? Lobdinum ang pangalan ng material. Lobdinum oxide. At pwede mo siyang manghuli ka ng hayop sa gubat, pwede mong suotin siya. Invisible cloak, grabe talaga, no? Ang invisible cloak, yan ay sa kapanahonan pa yan ni Samson and Gulayat. May mga nagsusuot ng ganyan na yan daw ay bigay ng mga Diyos noong unang panahon. Ibibigay sa mga napipili nila at magkaroon ng kapangyarihan na hindi magkikita. Tinatawag na invisibility cloak. Pero ngayon, andito na siya. Mabibili na natin yan. Ang China pa naman palaging nag-produce ng imitation.
Modeling results have shown that rolled-up sheets of molybdenum trioxide could replace metamaterials. It already demonstrates nearly perfect invisibility. Currently, the main existing technologies for creating invisibility rely on covering the object with a special substance. At the moment, the technique is only applicable to small objects, but the authors of the study believe that it can be improved in the future to be used on larger structures.
At kung ito'y magagamit sa military uniform, ay talagang parang Predator na ang dating. Yung Predator movie na hindi makikita yung Predator dahil yung kanyang camouflage ay kahit saang parte ng gubat ay magka-camouflage siya na parang ganito. Kaya ito na yata yun ang tinatawag na Predator cloth or invisibility clothing. At sana naman ay magkaroon din ng Armed Forces of the Philippines nito in the future. Okay, maraming salamat. At kung nagustuhan niyo ang ganitong klaseng video, huwag niyong kalimutan i-subscribe ang ating channel. Paalam at ingat kayong lahat.